I also killed another abyssal demon.
Damn, just like that. Alright, I want to build paladin armor.
Oh no, I'm poisoned. My last one.
22 iron. Okay. Mmm. Padded cloth.
Gotta get out of here.
Padded cloth? I need... Great. Jesus Christ. That's confusing.
Yeah, that's kind of hard to get. You just need to get a lot of like wool and rough one as well. There's like two different like wools basically. You need both of them to make the padded cloth.
Yeah. Alright.
Oops, teleporter around here somewhere. Forgot where we put it. Oh, it's over here.
I need the red cloth.
Yeah.
Flax coarse animal fur, fleece soft animal fur. Coarse animal fur?
There's 40 lightwood there in that
Okay.
chest.
Hold on.
Beauty.
I'm choking an orange.
Working on something.
Oh yeah, you know. Yeah, you know.
Yeah.
You know already.
Yeah, I do know.
Oh hell no.
Put a decoration above our door.
Nice, a hawk? Eagle?
The dragon.
Oh,
It's like a dragon head.
no. Like a bad dragon.
Oh. Whoa. Oh. Something like that.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
That's what it is. Bad. It's a bad boy.
Dude. Speaking of dragon, we got this. I just put down over here.
Huh?
I put a new decoration down.
Mm-hmm. Oh. Mm-hmm. Dragonkin.
Yeah. I actually need another one of these spinning wheel.
Yeah, I can make another one.
Can't make one right next to it for some reason. I mean,
It's too big.
yeah, I guess so. I'll just do like.
Bright eyes.
Hi. Mr. Krabs, start digging in your butt, twin. I need swamp weed.
Soon.
Swamp thread. Your disease. If I
I want to make another. I want to make a flaxseed farm.
Okay. Hold on, I need to
I want
find
to make it at a
humidifier.
different base.
I can't find it for some reason.
I'll make it at the Ionia base. Oh! I think I did a bad one.
Stop! My god! He's freaking sticking his face in my water again. Dummy.
Oh, I definitely did a bad orange.
Kick his ass.
Oh!
You're gonna vomit. That's gross. The hell?
It's like really sour.
Hell?
Tastes like
That's weird.
chemical.
That's odd.
They're just bad.
Quite odd. Yeah.
Ugh! Ugh!
Gross.
Yeah, it tastes
Alright.
like chemicals.
Got my new weapon.
Nice, the spine whip.
Yeah, my abyssal whip.
Ooh.
Lost the watering bucket, but I'll just grab another, I guess. That's a compost bucket. There's the watering can.
Gornfeld and Brynmore? What does that even mean? Who's calling me? Bruh. Ugh. Boonga, bro.
Yeah.
For real.
Oh, you're under attack.
Tch.
Can't even get to us anymore or something.
Okay. Oh my god. Omakase.
What the hell?
Omakase.
He attacked me through a freaking window. Wait, he attacked me through a window and then ran away and left.
Yeah, they stopped attacking.
That's so funny.
Oh, I need more materials to build. That's why. Oh, that's why, bro. Fudge. Well, I'll be back.
Okay. Living in a material world, and I am a material girl. Material. In a material world. Fried onion, dried dwellberries.
Hello? Do you change your audio?
Yeah. I just closed. I don't know if it kicked you out of the game, but I did just close the game so I could reset my audio.
Okay. I'm gonna get some Cheetos.
Um, hang on. All right, back in game.
Oh my god, I didn't put a password in him.
Happen?
Hello?
Hello.
Ah,
My screen froze.
I'm joining back.
Chef emoji.
Yeah. That's what it looks like. Green butthole.
Green butthole. Yeah, basically. Their base.
Yes. Boom shakalaka. Let's see. Gornfell? Bryn Mawr? What does that even mean? The hell
All right,
that
so I
means.
brought home stuff from the swamp. Now I can go burnt onions. Oh no. I need to make wheat. Shock damage.
Okay, let's see. Oh god. The dragon after me? I think it is. It's awkward. What do I want these farms?
Oh, I just ate an onion. Oops.
Nice. Minion.
Level 41.
Nice.
And for you. Hello, I got something for you.
Oh. Squeaking sausage?
Icon. That icon looks funny and
Oh my
I'm-
god. That looks crazy.
yeah,
Oh, it's like cut up sausage.
yeah.
Uh,
I think,
um, thank you.
oh,
Made your own sausage? We have a rain spell?
yeah.
Oh. Best player in Bryn Mawr plots? Oh my freaking god. That's confusing. Oh, I don't have the rain spell.
Maybe a certain level to unlock it with the farming.
Yeah.
Next time the harvest is done, you should harvest it yourself so you can get all the experience. I'm already level 41 farming, yeah.
Nice.
Onion.
Minion.
Onion.
Cristiano Ronaldo. So. Ah. That's all I did. Wow.